Good evening, student. I think all of you are fine. In the last class, we discussed the 10 MCQ on matrices of class 12 applied maths. Today also I come with 10 questions, the same topics, matrices of class 12 applied maths. Okay, let's see the questions. First question is what? If A is equal to this matrix is given 3, 4, 5, 0, 2, 3, 0, 0, 7. Then what is the determinant A? Now see, this matrix is not nothing but what? Upper triangular matrix. This upper triangular lower triangular matrix. Okay. So if this upper triangular lower triangular matrix is there, in that case what we have to do, if we need to find out the determinant, just we will multiply this principal diagonal elements, we will get the value of the determinant. That is 3 into 2 into 7. 3 into 2 is 6, 6 to the 7, 6 7 is 42. So correct answer is 42. Just we have to multiply the diagonal elements. Okay, this is the answer of question number 1. Second, find the inverse. If the inverse of A matrix is 2, 3, 5k will not be obtained. Be careful. See the questions. Will not be obtained if k has the value. What should? If k has a value, singular matrix means what? If determinant A not equal to 0, that is called singular. And if determinant A is equal to 0, then we will get what? Non-singular. Determinant A is equal to 0, then we will get singular. A not equal to 0 means not singular. Okay. And that time, if non-singular matrix, we will get the inverse, and singular matrix will not get the inverse. So if in case of singular, that value of the determinant should be 0. That means 2k minus 15 is equal to 0. So k is equal to what? 15 by 2. If we get the value of k is 15 by 2, that means it will be singular, and that case we will not get the inverse. It should be not singular, that is determinant not equal to 0, then inverses exist. So be careful to find out. So correct option is D. Next question, for any unit matrix I. So for any unit matrix I, any order, okay, the power of if I to the power n is always what? I. This every time you will get. So which option is correct? Is I square is equal to I. Determinant of unit matrix is 1. It is not 2. It is not 5. It is not 0. Determinant of any unit matrix is always 1. Okay. A matrix A is equal to Aij M cross N is said to be symmetric matrix if it is symmetric. Symmetric condition is what? That is condition Aij is equal to Aji. That means A12 is equal to A21, A13 is equal to A31, A14, A23 is equal to A32, A3113 is equal to, it's already get this way, these elements. Okay, so Aij is equal to Aji. If we get this one, then it is symmetric matrix. Otherwise, it is not symmetric. Next question, question number 5. See. If A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, then A square. In that case, what will be A square? How many elements? 3 elements. So just one thing we will do. 1 into first row into first column. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 is into 1 is 1. So what will get 3? So each and every elements will get 3. Okay? Clear? Then what is the answer? 3A. Next, a matrix Aij is M cross N is said to be skew symmetric. First, already got one question is symmetric, and here we are getting skew symmetric. A matrix A is equal to Aij M cross N is said to be skew symmetric. What is the condition of skew symmetric? Skew symmetric is Aij is equal to minus Aji. That is skew symmetric. Or we can say Aii is equal to 0. All diagonal elements is 0. These two conditions will applied here for skew symmetric matrix. So here what is the condition given? A is equal to Aij is equal to 0, Aij is equal to Aji, Aij minus Aji, Aij is equal to 1. So correct option is C. Okay. Now next question, question number C. If A is equal to cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta, then adjoint of A. Adjoint A is adjoint in case of adjoint of two matrix, adjoint. So what do you have to do? For two matrix A11, A12, order 2, A21, A22. What do you have to do? Just we will interchange this one. So adjoint A, what will get? If matrix A is this, adjoint A, what will get? They will interchange A22, A11. It will come this way. Okay? A22, A11. And the non-diagonal elements, the principal diagonal elements will be changed, and non-diagonal elements what will get? That will change, that will elements will be same, just changes the sign. Minus A11, A, this is A12, A21. Their sign will be changes. If it is positive then negative, negative then positive. Okay. So here what is that? Cos theta minus sin theta, sin theta cos theta. These elements are already same. So changes, no problem. Cos theta will be there. But this will be sign will be changes. This will plus, this will be minus. So correct option is that cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta. This was minus sin theta, it will be plus sin theta. This is minus sin theta, it will be plus sin theta. This is plus sin theta, it will be minus sin theta. So correct option is C. Next question C. If a square minus a plus I is equal to 0, if a square minus a plus I is equal to 0, then the inverse of a is, what is the inverse of a? So what is a square minus a plus I is equal to 0? It is given. So we need to find out the inverse. So we will multiply by a inverse. So a inverse a square minus a inverse a plus I into a inverse is equal to 0. If we do this one, so it will get what? A minus I plus a inverse is equal to 0. That is a inverse is equal to what? I minus a. So what is the correct option? C, I minus a. The correct option is C, I minus a. Okay. Next, C, a is equal to cos x minus sin x cos x. So a plus a transpose and a plus a transpose is equal to I. It is given. What is the value of x? That is cos x minus sin x cos x, and its transpose plus row and column are interchanges. So what will get? Cos x sin x, then it will be minus sin x cos x, and this I is 1 0 0 1, this I. Okay, it is given. This is the thing. Now corresponding element side, cos x plus cos x, 2 cos x. So 2 cos x is equal to 1. We are getting. So cos x is equal to what? 1 by 2. And this is nothing but what? Cos pi by 3. That is x is equal to pi by 3. In this we have to find out. So the correct option is B. So in this we have to do the MCQs. And this time the pattern is changed. CBC pattern is changed. So first one is first term, next is second term. First term is completely objective exam, and second term will be subjective exam if the environment is okay. So we have to practice more and more MCQ test, but we have to go thoroughly and clear the concept first, then only we can solve the problem. Okay, thank you. If any query you can call me. So this is the end of this class. Thank you.